Hey guys, welcome to this video. You can see what's happening right now is after that US inflation data, dollar pairs have rallied right up. You can see on my 5-minute, you've come from your 122,870 or thereabouts area, along with this amalgamation of key MAs, and you've come all the way up, 123, about 100 pips higher. Okay, so straight up in one line. Now, the strength is being sustained, and mainly this is just coming because people are getting rid of their dollars now because it looks like inflation is cooling via reports, and obviously that's decreasing the likelihood of a rate rise. So what happens is you get the counter currencies going up against the dollar. People say, you know what, I don't want to save dollars anymore. The rate's probably not going to go higher, and this is what happens. So what you're getting at this point, it really is a continuation from this very flat uptrending movement. Okay, so you can see what I've labeled there is the higher lows, okay, along the bottom, and the higher highs. And the market isn't giving you a sharp uptrend, it's more of a flat movement, okay? And you can label that quite easily by using one of these tools. I always tend to forget where it is, but if you just use one of these kind of things, you can see we're ascending, but we haven't really done it very quickly. It's been a very tentative increase in price. But what is happening now, okay, is quite important, and it is simply that your candle that you've got at the moment today is now boosting up into this area of previous price rejection. So the area I'm labeling now really is showing you where price was preferred earlier as an exit zone for people who are holding it long, and people therefore got on the other side of the market short. But you're pushing right into that now, and it's going in very strongly. So I wouldn't be shocked if you do break above that high, and it doesn't hold much weight, especially given that sentiment that's just come into the market. If you go on something like your weekly, you can see this sideways movement isn't holding a lot at all. This is a really strong green candle to the upside. So it begs the question, if it does go beyond the most recent candle, where will it stop? Well, I would probably refer to levels of price action slightly higher up, levels of rejection. You can see these with minor candle wicks slightly higher above. So if we do get higher than where we are now, it really wouldn't surprise me whatsoever. I'm only looking on my weekly at the moment, but I wouldn't be shocked if you do just keep pushing up, because like I said, the sentiment now, or the market mood that's dictating what's going on, is in line with dollars coming down, pounds, euros, etc. coming up. And there's a vast wave of movement now coming along in the Forex market particularly. You can see a bit of movement on the SPX. Okay, the dollar index obviously is going to reflect these US pairs, which is really important as well. I'm just looking at my news as it comes through. So you got a reading, I believe, of 3.2% when there was an expected 3.3. So positive news, and you can see that's why the dollar's losing value. So if we go on our monthly, okay, you can see what's happening. It's also quite clear when you pushed off from this level where we look long on long-term price action, okay, you've had your rebound, and you can see slightly higher than where we are. You've got that same area I was referring to. So if you had it long, it's probably a good idea to lock in gains in the event that you do have a series of pullbacks to take you higher. I think you could probably start to look short 1258. So I think there is a bit in this. I don't think it's going to come all at once. I think ultimately what will happen is this candle will run out of steam, whether it's today or tomorrow. And as you reach this 200 MA, you may find you get a slight dip, which is why I suggested locking in gains. Because if you do get a dip, before it keeps going up to 1257, 8, wherever, then if it does go behind, then you'll close out for gains. Your stock oscillator still very much in the middle. Okay, I think you've got some way to go, but I wouldn't buy it now. If you didn't have it long, okay, then you're really someone who's looking for those short entries. Don't jump on the wagon late. Don't jump on and say, oh, I want to buy it because it's going up. That's the wrong thing to do. Just wait and wait until people say, okay, well, I've had enough of this. I'm going to liquidate my long entries. And then, of course, the market starts to slide with the weight of people getting out of longs, flipping short. So I hope that helps as always, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, wherever you're watching it. Get my free training under the video. I'll see you in the next one. See you there.